Hello and welcome to a special episode of On or Not Unboxing. So as you can see, we have a few products, so we have to do some restock. So we're going to open some packages and restock our supply. Okay, so first let me see. So first let me take this. So we have a 3-pack with promo code for Paradox with. So let's open this. There we go. So we got 3 packs. Pack number 1 got Amuj inside there. We have a Garchomp on the next pack, and we have another Garchomp in the pack. So we have 2 Pokemon cards here. So we got promo code and also an anti-bags promo. Okay, so we have the 3 packs here. Okay, so let's add that to our stack here. Okay, so what else are we opening today? So there goes our Paradox Wave. Bye bye. Okay, let's see. What else do we have here? What should we open next? Okay, let's see this. Let's move some stuff behind. We have the Japanese Wild Force. Okay, so this will have all whatever cards is, I forgot the name. So let's open this and see what we got. So we're going to take a few packs here, we'll add it up to our stacks. There we go, so Wild Force. So let's grab some packs. So first 1 pack only has 5 cards. Let's just grab 1, 2, 3 packs from here. First there was 6. So 6 packs here. Hopefully we get something within the first 6 packs, okay? Let's put this aside for now. Okay, so we got a few big stacks here, so maybe we should add 1 more. Chinese Gem 1. Okay, so this is Gem 1 for the Chinese set. So this set has the Captain Pikachu, right? Yeah, so there we go. Going to bend this down. Can we bend it down? I don't think so. It would be cool if you can, but I don't think he will allow me to. Okay, whatever it is, so these are 2 packs. So 1 pack only has 4 cards, so we have to open 2 packs at once. So probably I'll take 4 pack. So this is let's grab more. Okay, so we got 6 packs of this. Bam! So this is our stock for On or Not. So it's not On or Not if you don't open something. So what I have here is the much debated Japanese McDonald's promo. I know this has a lot of controversy to it, but then I didn't order much. This is all I ordered because it came set 3. Okay, so I do not want to say much about controversy, so I'll just open it and see what we get. So I won't get all the 5 obviously, because I think there's 4 or 5 mixture, right? So obviously you get the Secret Pikachu card, and we get the I forgot the name, sorry. Okay, so next let's open another one. Yes, I'm using scissors. I'm not going to tear this as usual. Pretty much. Hopefully we don't get the same. Oh, okay. We got Spaghettito. Okay. Next one. Let's see what I get. Hopefully it's the fire one. I forgot. Oh no, it's not Spaghettito. Another one. Oh no, I have 2 Spaghettitos. Okay, so what we end up with is 3 Pikachus and 2 Spaghettitos. There we go. Okay. With that, here's the stock for the next On or Not. So see you next time where we open this in the next On or Not.